outfits for all seasons, especially back to school shopping, can really take its toll on your wallet, but not if you're searching at the right place, like Clothes Mentor.
Yes.
So Kathy Bosley joins us. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, you know, we always love to save you money.
Yes.
And you have already spent it on school supplies and all your kids' back to school clothes because the shoes are alone expensive enough to
true.
break your bank. So when you do finally have time for yourself next week when the kids go back to school, come to Clothes Mentor. We're going to save you money. We're going to put together some cute outfits for your work environment or whatever you're doing, and we're going to make you look great for a lot less.
Love it. That's
Yeah.
the best way to put it, too.
So starting out, like for instance, I wanted to go with some school colors, and all I came up with was this adorable blue Coach bag.
yeah.
It is
Adorable.
cute.
Originally $300, so it'd be $90 at the store. And this bag inspired me. I thought, well, I got to put orange with it, so I went with blue and orange. And I
Yeah,
think
I
that's Brook Hill here in town. So
That's perfect.
Yes.
good luck to them this year. Have a great year.
Very
But
nice.
so I thought you could wear your school colors. Teachers, you know, you can do the back to school with the colors as well.
Yes.
And then you might want to always have a little cardigan or blazer because when you do go in to teach, the air's on. It is cooler in the
does.
classrooms. You always want to have some kind of cover. So my whole outfit today would have been $450 if I'd gone to the mall and bought it.
Right. I know.
$125.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
That's
about.
$125. I have the whole outfit. I can mix it. I can put this with other outfits. I can keep carrying the bag the whole season. It'll be wonderful.
That's
and then
great.
I thought, well, what about just going back to school as the student?
Right.
So we dressed up Haley like a student, maybe going to high school, college, or even furthering her career in her master's or something like that. So we have her outfit would have been $550.
Wow.
What college kid can afford that?
None.
$150 for her whole
Ah,
outfit.
Yes.
That's amazing.
How
Those
cute is
jeans
that?
alone aren't even
Yeah,
that
those are
cheap.
$200 Cookie Johnson jeans
Yeah.
from Nordstrom. And then she just has a cute Betsy Johnson. How adorable is that?
I love
her,
that.
Her cute little pop of color against her gray. So you
It's
can wear the
perfect.
neutrals and then add a nice little coral purse.
I love
How
the bow
adorable.
detail, too.
Yeah, I love it. So cute. So yeah, we have always great designer handbags there. So you could just have what I call an affordable outfit and then put on a bag that you can carry all the time that's the designer handbag for
Yes.
way less. Instead
Yes.
of $300 or $400, $90, $100.
That's so amazing.
So affordable.
Oh, it's
Yes.
really nice. So remind people how it works when one comes to your place.
Right.
Right. So and also it's about to be a season change.
Yeah.
So you're going to clean out your closet pretty soon.
Yes.
And as the seasons start to change and you clean it out, you're going to fold everything nice and clean, put it in a basket, bin, box. You're going to bring it into us. It's going to be your recent things, probably things from the last 2 to 3 years. That's why everything in the store looks so great. It's so recent. You're going to bring it into us. We're going to look through it. We're going to pay you 1/3 of what we would sell it for. And the designer handbags, we pay you half of what we sell those for.
Awesome.
So you make some money, you get the cash, then you can pay for the kids' clothes, your clothes, whatever your needs are this fall. So
That's
really,
amazing.
it's a win-win for everybody.
That's perfect. Is
Yeah,
there
it
anything
goes
you're
great.
looking for right now?
Well, we especially need shoes and boots. We're going into the fall,
Okay.
so we need to cover the feet now. We're done with all our sandals and flip-flops, so we need shoes, boots. We're going to have a boot reveal in a couple weeks. We're going to put out all our boots on one day,
Oh, that's
so everybody can come
great.
in and get boots that day. It'll be kind of fun to have a boot night.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's the best part of fall dressing anyways.
Oh,
the
you get
boots.
to add up so much more. And then September is Teacher Appreciation Month. So all teachers with their little badge get 10% off in the month of September.
Oh,
Because we
how
have to
cool is
bless
that?
the teacher and help her get her wardrobe.
that's great.
Yeah.
Gosh. Well, and then I guess obviously coats.
Yes, and then
those
we'll go
be
into
thinking
fall.
about
So
those,
start bringing
right,
all
yeah.
the fall layering. Sweaters, coats, jackets, all of that. So,
Anything else you're seeing as a trend for back to school?
What is the trend? I think the skinny jean is very in now, but I just read yesterday in InStyle magazine, the 70s style is going to be very dominant this fall.
I love a good
Very
flare
70s
denim
and a big flare
with a
denim.
good wedge.
If we're going to do the hairdos like that, maybe. Maybe
don't
not.
know.
You know what? Big hair has always been trendy
Yeah,
here in
mine
Texas.
would-
Texas,
shoulder
so
length
yes.
would be okay on me,
Yeah,
wouldn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
shoulder
remember
length.
that
I
in the
think
70s?
we should get you a
I had a
longer
bowl
Men
cut
did
in the
have.
70s.
Men did have. They had completely. I wanted to call it feathered hair.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's like the mullet.
I want you to do that.
Yeah.
I want
We're
you
not encouraging this, by the way.
That would be hilarious.
That's great. And then where are you located? So if anyone wants
We
to
are
swing
right
by.
behind Fresh off of Old Jacksonville.
And your hours are
10 to 8 Monday through Saturday, and on Sunday 1 to 5. So when you've been busy all week and you only have a little bit of time on Sunday, you can run up there as well.
Oh, very nice.
beautiful. Well, thank you so much for joining
Thanks.
us. Fabulous
Back to
looks.
school. Go
Yeah,
team.
here we go.
Yes, coming up on Fox 51 today. It's almost time for tailgating season. Sweet Gourmet helps us prepare. Stick around.